Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix blink camera not working. If you want to fix your issue, then watch the video till the end. If one of your blink camera is not responding, you may see error message such as camera busy or thumbnail fail. This message can happen if your sync module is not able to communicate with the camera. These are the following steps which solve your problem. First, move your camera closer to your sync module. Also make certain that you have 3 bars of signal strength for camera to Wi-Fi and camera to sync module. Second, power cycle both your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds and plugging them back in. Then wait 2 minutes for internet service to be restored and then try using your camera again. The third step is to power cycle your camera by removing the batteries for 10 seconds and reinsert them. Then check to see if your camera responds to commands. Fourth, if the steps above don't resolve the issue, try a different power source. You can use a micro USB cable and USB power adapter to power the camera with the batteries removed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.